So how can you edit a web page on the iPhone? Let me show you how or what options you have. Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, on your iPhone, you can get inside like any of the web pages as usual, right? And there are some things you can do. At the bottom or at the top, depends on how you have it set up, but next to the URL, there is a specific button which is like two lines and a rectangle above it. So you click on it, and this gives you some options, right? So you can, for example, edit the web page in a sense that you hide distracting items. That's one of the new features of Safari, and you can click on it, and this will make you like hide some elements which you don't want to see on the website anymore. So it makes the browsing much more comfortable, and you literally edit the web page for your personal enjoyment, I guess, of the website. So you can literally remove some things which you don't like on the screen. So it is very useful, right? You can always return back, and you can also edit it in a different ways. Like you can request a desktop website, or you can translate it. So you kind of like edit the language of the web page, or you can even click on the three dots for more, and you will be able to just get to the reader mode, or decide if you want to give it, access to the camera and all of that kind of stuff. So that's how you can edit the web page on an iPhone. If you specifically mean like in order to like inspect it, like literally change the text of some web page, well, that doesn't work on the iPhone. You can only do it on the computer and in the Safari on a Mac, or in a Chrome or on different like computers, but it's not really a thing on the iPhone. So let me know in the comments below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials like this one.